Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nick. In today's video, we're diving into some of the biggest crypto narratives you need to know for this bull run. We'll explore hyperscalable blockchains, the metaverse, and gaming tokens, what's still relevant, what's not, and what holds the most potential moving forward. Stick around, as we'll break everything down in a way that's easy to follow, so you can make informed decisions. Let's jump right in. Let's start with hyperscalable blockchains, projects designed to handle massive transaction volumes while keeping fees low and speeds high. These blockchains are crucial for scaling decentralized applications, NFTs, and gaming ecosystems. When evaluating the potential of these blockchains, we need to consider both their technological capabilities and their market performance. For example, Phantom and Sei have been making waves due to their innovative approaches. Phantom leverages a directed acyclic graph structure to achieve fast and low-cost transactions. Sei, on the other hand, is carving out a niche as a Layer 1 blockchain optimized for trading with incredibly fast finality designed for decentralized exchanges. From a market perspective, Phantom and Sei are still undervalued. Both have circulating market caps of around $3 billion, which is significantly lower than Solana's $11 billion. Their tokenomics are also favorable, with a larger portion of their supply already in circulation, reducing the risks of inflationary pressures as more tokens are unlocked. Now, let's talk about Avalanche AVAX. AVAX stands out because it combines hyperscalability with mainstream accessibility. It supports over 10,000 transactions per second, rivaling some of the fastest blockchains in the market. But AVAX's true strength lies in its multi-chain architecture. Its primary network consists of 3 separate blockchains, each optimized for different purposes: contract execution, asset transfers, and data validation. What's more, AVAX is extremely accessible to U.S. investors. It's listed on major exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and even Robinhood, making it one of the most retail-friendly crypto investments. This ease of access positions AVAX as a mainstream-friendly asset, similar to blue-chip cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Beyond its technical and retail advantages, AVAX has built a robust ecosystem. It's heavily involved in gaming with high-profile projects like Off the Grid. Additionally, its partnerships with institutions like the Monetary Authority of Singapore and its involvement in real-world asset (RWA) tokenization solidify its utility beyond crypto speculation. These factors make AVAX a compelling choice for long-term investors looking to ride the wave of scalability and adoption. Now let's move to the metaverse, a sector that dominated crypto discussions in 2021 but has since cooled down. Back then, projects like Sandbox and Decentraland were the poster children of the metaverse narrative. These platforms promised to revolutionize virtual worlds, offering users the ability to buy land, create experiences, and monetize digital real estate. However, both projects have struggled to maintain momentum. Sandbox has seen minimal innovation since its initial hype. Similarly, Decentraland's development has stagnated, and reports suggest that their core team has shifted focus to other ventures. Despite this, these tokens could experience a short-term surge if metaverse hype returns. But long-term, their lack of progress makes them high-risk investments. For those looking for sustainable metaverse projects, Wilder World is an excellent alternative. Unlike Sandbox and Decentraland, Wilder World has spent the bear market building an immersive and highly interactive metaverse experience. Its upcoming releases on the Epic Games Store are expected to attract significant attention, not just from crypto enthusiasts but also from mainstream gamers. Wilder World isn't just about virtual land, it's an expansive ecosystem that includes NFTs, digital art, and gaming. It leverages Unreal Engine 5, a state-of-the-art game development tool, to create stunning graphics and seamless gameplay. This focus on user experience sets it apart from its competitors. From a market standpoint, Wilder World is significantly undervalued. Its previous all-time high was $6.70, and it's now trading at just 37 cents, a 16x gap to its peak. With its strong fundamentals and active development, Wilder World offers both short-term and long-term potential as the metaverse narrative evolves. Another reason Wilder World is a strong contender is its focus on community engagement. Unlike some of its competitors, Wilder World actively involves its user base in the platform's development and decision-making processes. This approach has helped it maintain a loyal and enthusiastic community even during the crypto market downturn. Finally, it's worth mentioning that Wilder World isn't just a metaverse project, it's a comprehensive digital ecosystem. Beyond gaming and virtual land, the platform aims to integrate with other blockchain sectors like DeFi and NFTs, creating a seamless, interconnected experience. This holistic approach positions Wilder World as more than just a metaverse play. It's an investment in the broader future of blockchain-based entertainment and digital interaction. So while Sandbox and Decentraland may still hold short-term speculative appeal, Wilder World is the project to watch if you're looking for a metaverse token with genuine long-term potential and ongoing development. Gaming has always been a strong use case for blockchain technology, and the sector is evolving rapidly. However, not all gaming tokens from the 2021 bull run have remained relevant. For instance, Axie Infinity, Engine Coin, and Gala were all major players back then, but have struggled to adapt to changing market demands. Axie Infinity's play-to-earn model was revolutionary but unsustainable. Players are no longer interested in grinding for small token rewards, especially when those rewards lose value over time. Similarly, Engine Coin, once a leader in gaming infrastructure, has failed to keep up with newer technologies. Even Gala, which aimed to be the Steam of blockchain gaming, hasn't delivered on its promises, so where does that leave us? If you're looking for gaming tokens with long-term potential, you need to focus on projects that are innovating and building during the bear market. One standout is Superverse. It has solid tokenomics, a strong team, and a loyal community that has remained active since the last bull run. What makes Superverse particularly interesting is its infrastructure. It's designed to integrate seamlessly with mainstream gaming platforms, making it highly scalable as crypto gaming grows. For newer projects, keep an eye on Xborg, SeedWorld, and Superchamps. These tokens were fairly launched, meaning they started with decentralized exchange listings and low market caps. This approach allows early investors to buy in at a fair price, creating a strong and supportive community. Another noteworthy project is Ronin, the blockchain developed by Sky Mavis, the creators of Axie Infinity. While Axie itself has struggled, Ronin is being positioned as a Layer 1 solution for multiple games. This pivot could make it a valuable infrastructure play in the gaming sector. If you want a single gaming token that checks all the boxes, great tokenomics, a strong community, and active development, Superverse is your best bet. It's well positioned to capture the growing interest in crypto gaming and could deliver significant returns as the sector matures. To sum it up, we've covered the evolving narratives in hyper-scalable blockchains, metaverse projects, and gaming tokens. Whether you're eyeing AVAX for its scalability, Wilder World for its metaverse innovation, or Superverse for gaming, these projects represent the future of crypto. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video.